Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. Okay, so you just ended the song. And you need to end that song. You like this Johnsonkeyz plays, but you don't know how to do it. So I'm going to show you that in the key of F. Right. So it goes like this. What's that? That's your 5, 6, 7, 6, 4, 6, 5. That's for the left hand. 5, 6, 7, 6, 4, 6, 4 to 5. Your right hand goes 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. One more time. 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3. Right. So that's what they do most times. In the key of F, C also. You see that same thing? Just use the same finger numbers that I gave you for F to tackle this. So if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course that has over 2 hours course, you can see everything on the screen. You should inbox me or click the seller link on the channel, on the about page of the channel description to get your copy now. Right, and follow this channel for many more.